Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
Alright, you guys, so this is what we're going to be using to do Bella's hair. This right here is the Moisture Repair Shine shampoo from Pantene. This is the Pro Vitamin B5 Complex 5-in-1 conditioner that we're going to do a deep conditioner on her hair. We are going to be using this blow drying brush that I got from Amazon to pretty much dry her hair and you know, pretty much get the tangles out, even though we did that in the shower. But this is going to be like the first step in straightening her hair. This right here is a flat iron brush. Got this from Amazon as well. We're going to be using this vent brush to detangle her hair too. While her hair is wet, I'm going to put a little bit of this the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, the leave-in conditioner. We're also going to be using some of this Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant just to protect her hair from the heat. To finish her hair off, I'm going to use a little bit of this Cantu Shea Butter Super Shine Hair Silk. This is just going to finish. This is going to be the last step pretty much to just give her hair some shine at the end. And to lay her edges, I'm going to be using some of this Cantu Shea Butter Edge Control. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using on my niece's hair. Let's get it. So yeah, this is the beginning. I'm about to wash it. Okay, you guys, so I'm not sure where my first clip went when her hair was totally completely wet. The only thing I did to her wet hair was I put some of that Sleek and Shine on it while it's wet. Right here, all I'm doing is I am detangling her hair little section by section. Once I get her hair detangled, I spray it with some of that heat protectant, and then I start going at it with the blow dryer brush. So that's the only thing I've been doing. She has a lot of hair, so it's not like you missed a lot. It's gonna take a little bit, but I'm going to speed it up so this video isn't super long. So detangle, spray with heat protectant, and then I'm going in with the blow dryer brush. That's what I'm doing here. Okay, you guys, so this is the first section. Of course, she has a lot of hair. So I'm going to do some more, and I'm going to come back just so this video isn't super long. Yeah. I'm going to wait till I get like 3/4 of the way done, and I'll come back before I start the flat iron process. Okay, you guys, so we finished the first part, the blow drying part. Her hair is blown out. Now I'm just going to heat up the flat iron brush, and then we're just going to do a few passes. Nothing too crazy because her hair is pretty straight, you know. It's looking really nice and healthy. It's beautiful. Alright, y'all, so I have the flat iron brush heated up. Just gonna touch it up. Sorry if y'all hear the movie or a game or something, but I gotta keep her occupied so I can do this. Your hair looks so beautiful. So I'm just gonna smooth this out some. Alright, I'll be back. You look so beautiful, girl. Wait, let me do your edges. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna lay her edges down a little bit. Aw, look at you. Stop making crazy faces. She looks so beautiful. Okay. Tame the flyaways. Turn. Turn. Come here. Come a little closer. Turn around. Turn. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Cantu hair polisher and just put like a little tiny drop like that and polish your hair. Look at this. Turn your head, turn around. Look at that. Y'all see the shine? Turn. Look at you. Who's this big girl right here? You look so grown up. Oh my gosh, I can't take it. So we're done, y'all. Look at her. She looks so beautiful.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot. All right.